Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete all Gmail emails on any phone. It's the same on the web page on your computer, so let's get straight into it. Now open up Gmail account, and here we have some uh, primary promotions and social. Now here on the phone you will long press on a single email to select it, and a checkbox or check mark will appear. Here on the desktop on your PC you will see uh, that you have this check mark right at the top, so you can select all of them on this page. And yeah, what you can do now, it will appear here this toolbar where you will also see the trash can to delete. So if you press it, you will basically delete 50 conversation. So first they will be moved to trash, so you will find trash here at the left side, uh, and then what you need to do is the same thing as you move it here, and then delete forever, and now they are gone basically forever. And it's the same on the phone. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next